Here's how to use a gas station air pump. First, locate the air pump at the gas station. It is usually off to the side away from the gas pumps. Second, park your car so that the air hose can easily reach all your tires. Third, look for the recommended tire pressure on the sticker inside your driver's door or in the owner's manual. It is usually measured in PSI. Fourth, remove the valve caps from your tires and keep them in a safe place. Fifth, insert coins or swipe your card to activate the air pump. Some pumps may be free. Next, if the pump has a PSI setting, adjust it to the recommended pressure for your tires. Next is to attach the air hose to the tire valve and press the lever to start inflating. You may hear a hissing sound as the air flows into the tire. Check the tire pressure with the gauge on the air hose or a separate gauge. Adjust the air pressure by adding or releasing air as needed. Once the tires are inflated to the correct pressure, replace the valve caps. Ensure all tires are properly inflated and drive away safely.